Baby, will you marry me?
What's happening here? Hey, don't do that. No, don't do that here. We don't do that here. I'm not here ever.
Let me do that too, sir.
Hold it. Oh. Who are you? What are you doing here?
I'm her fiancé and I want to propose to her.
Who made you her fiancé? You are proposing to my daughter without my concept. Under this, we are kneeling down. This is one.
Papa God help.
Okay, because this is one. You can't take my pino. No, be one loan. No, yeah. Only Mochalo. The father. Eh? Who does that?
But I have met her father.
Who is that father? That man in there, if he approves and I disapprove, that's no approval.
Baby, who is this man?
Is our daddy in the Lord?
Yes, you can hear that.
Yes, our daddy.
Nobody believes in the Sonia. Nobody in Sonia. If you also come to be my daughter, you have seen her father. Who is that father? I'm the father in the Lord. If you want to marry my daughter, we have rules and regulations. You must follow it. You come and see me. Whatever I say, stand. Are you hearing me? Come and see me. Come on, let's see. Come and see me.
I don't understand. Honestly, there.
This is my daddy in the Lord. Anything that you say, that is fine now. You have seen my father, I know, but you see my father is not the problem. Don't listen to my father. If you want to marry me, go and meet my daddy first. My daddy in the Lord. Without him,
He shock you.
this is our wedding. Cancel.
So you should go and see him.
Yes, on the book. Oh,
Let's go.
I am a mistake.
Let's go.
Young man, let me see you mother. Never know. Can you make it a most of the two more now once? You can now one so you can walk a man. But one young religion in the room. Or what one is in charge? Or not because you want to Timu.
Hallelujah.
Of we are carrying my better. After long gazo. You know what I go? Now they try changing one mind. You know, go a couple of more than yeah, unless with the Anyani.
You are a criminal.
What I go? Yeah, but it's no one wine. Yeah, 20 bags of cement. And go take. We have 3 trips of okute stone. 4 trips of sand. My friend, when I have melon, almost salaka. He gets to Roma na church. Okay, say me. He gave 8 cartons of indomie.
You are a criminal.
We go 2 gallons of ground oil. 4 oil there. Yes, he gets to Roma. The one thing, you get the hooker. However, you want to make a market, make a quick long line. First of all, I got a member of this church. You come. What can I say here? It can't happen. You are going. Calm down for what?
They calm down.
They don't calm down.
Only calm down now. Let's settle this thing.
Settle what? In fact, I'm not interested again.
Bamba my chamber.
I'm leaving. Let your pastor marry you.
Bamba my chamber.
Let your pastor marry you.
Only please now.
You're coming my foot.
Only come. Let's settle this thing.
Settle what?
My daughter. This man is a hooligan.
Hey.
To offer me, if you be holy, I'm again. Only happy holy.
Daddy, I want to marry me.
Marry who? The Lord have not said anything. How can you marry? You are choosing one. You have been chosen by God.
But
So
Daddy, sorry, all this thing you mentioned now is too much.
are you questioning my order or what?
No, Daddy.
Are you normal? Are you come here?
I'm normal, sir.
Mama and Ketu I got married last year. Were you not there? What about Oluchukwu? Were you not here? Be very, very careful. Okay, what you need to do again? MS follow the youth who is a compound. If you chama altar, that's a stable.
Okay,
But a program better.
Okay, so my dear Koyao, 6 tutors that came for my hand in marriage. Just go like this, just like that. I'm tired. I don't know what else to do again. I'm tired.
Ha! No, I get a cake and egg here, Pastor Nico. The pastor has a season. Before dance is over, because I could go to the and get what one nash.
Even my friend now, she's married. Living out like, oh God. have I gotten myself into?
Go and ask your grandfather.
We must learn a lesson.